Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Well, do you love banana splits? This is the video for you. We're making a fabulous banana split cake today, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So what I've done first is I've crushed up about 20, 25 graham crackers, which is one sleeve of graham crackers. And then we're going to add a half a cup of melted butter, which is one stick. And then we're going to add a half a cup of sugar. And then we're going to mix this up real good together, like so, till it's all combined. And then we're going to pat this in our dish. And so what I'm doing, I'm actually making the full recipe, but I am going to be making two of the smaller pans because I'm making my kids one and I'm going to surprise them this evening with it. So what I'm going to do is half this, put that down in here like that, and then we're going to pat this down really well. And I think the best way really is to get your hands in it, but let's try this. Let's see, sake of it going down in there like that. And then we're going to chill this just for a little while we make the yummy, yummy goodness that goes inside. Okay, now in my mixer, I have 16 ounces of powdered sugar, which is 2 cups. And we're going to add 1 stick of melted butter to it, which is a half a cup. And we're going to start mixing that together. And then we're going to add 2 eggs. We're going to let this cream together really well. Get all mixed in. I hope everybody's having a great day today. And if you love my channel, like I'm loving doing all this for you guys, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And don't forget to share it with somebody because then they can make this yummy goodness. Okay, this is all creaming together. Really good. I'm just going to do this because it doesn't take very long for this to cream together. I'll show it to you here, just like this. And then we're going to add all of our fruit to this. I think my pie crust is probably chilled by now. So I'm going to go get it and we're going to assemble all this together. And I'm going to show you what a fabulous banana split cake you'll have here in just a little bit. Okay, so my pie crusts are chilled really good. And so what I'm going to do, since I told you I was going to make 2 of these, I'm going to half this here, just like that. I'm going to put this on one so you can see what I'm doing here. We're going to spread all of this on top. Oh, this stuff smells good already and looks good. That graham cracker crust, I love the smell of it. So what I've done, I've already spread these the mixture out in my pans here. Just about finished with this one since I'm making 2. I think my grandkids will love it. I hope they do. I don't think I've ever made it for them. I have one that's a sweet eater and one's kind of a semi-sweet eater. You never know, but I think they'll love it. I know my grown kids will, and I know my husband does. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you'll need 1 can of crushed or chunks of pineapple, but make sure you drain it real well because you don't want this soggy at all. So we're going to put some of this on here like that, kind of spread it out like this. Make sure you get it all even. And then we're going to cut up some bananas and put on top of this. I can't wait to have this tonight. I love this stuff. Okay, like that. And then we're going to take our bananas. We're going to slice that on top. Make these. I had a little banana slicer and I don't know what happened to it. I couldn't find it. So we're going to do this. Made it real easy for me. We're just going to put this all on top like this. And you want to make sure you get it all evenly spread out. Just like that. And we'll do the other one. So I think really probably 2 bananas is fine. Depending on if you use a bigger pan, you may want to use 3. That's perfectly fine. You can use however much of this that you really want is great. Probably the more the better. I think that's going to be just enough right there for both of them. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take some Cool Whip, and I've got a big one. I think that the recipe, if I remember correctly, years ago, it called for 1 container. So we're just going to put this on top. This, about half of it. I'm not going to put this whole container on top or in these. It's just too much. Just like that. And then you've got a beautiful, beautiful cake. And a yummy one at that. Okay, so I have the other cake topped with our Cool Whip. And listen, I don't know about you guys, but you can never have a banana split without chocolate and caramel and cherries. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to decorate this. I'm going to take my chocolate and I'm going to make a line here. I'm just going to go around it like this, and another one. Okay. And then I'm going to take a little pick and I'm going to go down it like this. And I'm going to go down like this and dredge that. And then I'm going to take my cherries. I've got the maraschino cherries and I let them dry on a paper towel really good. We're just going to put them on here like this. Like so. And this looks beautiful. And I do hope you'll make this for somebody you love. And let's do a little caramel. I'm going to hit it with this just a minute. And then we're going to be done and have a fabulous, fabulous cake. And I hope you enjoy. There you go. Go share the love and tell somebody you love them. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon.